Barbecue fam, today we're using that Monument Grill's 22-inch griddle and we're doing up some smash burgers. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So once the griddle is fired up and everything is nice and warm, hit a little extra oil on there, and then we're going to be throwing down our first protein. We're doing bacon, and then we're going to slam down some smash burgers. The reason why people get a griddle to make smash burgers, and this Monument Grill's griddle worked out great and looks amazing. So let's dive in. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Yep. Could you go wrong with a smash burger? Oh hell no. Go get yourself a griddle if you don't have one. Stop cleaning pans. Just scrape this up, wipe it down. Rock and roll griddles are the way to go. And a smash burger, boy, you can't beat that. That secret sauce, so easy. I used Uncle Steve's thick meat. That seasoning is a pretty damn good seasoning for burgers, and it also went into the special sauce or the secret sauce. Ain't no secret no more on that sauce. That's a wrap, folks. Awesome burgers. I got to clean this griddle up now. Oh, the daunting task. Oh boy. Barbecue fam, today we're using the Monument Grill's small griddle. And I don't like those giant griddles. So this is the one I'm going to be using for a while. And yeah, cheers. So I've got some awesome cooks lined up, and that's much appreciated. Many cooks to come. Oh, what? That sucked. This Monument Grill's griddle, I have many cooks to come, and if you are much obliged to subscribe, that'd be awesome. But now I'm just, holy shit. Many cooks to come on this Monument Grill's griddle. Oh hell yeah, look forward to that. Hit the thumbs up please, and subscribe if it's your first time here. Oh hell yeah.